Oh, you guys. That was a big snowflake. It's not, the snow's not sticking, but hopefully it'll do something. And, well, I dyed my hair purple again. Or at least my bangs. So pretty! But, yeah, it's kind of cold outside. But it's all good. It's February, so of course it's gonna be cold. But yeah, it's snowing! I'm getting very wet! So bye!